All right, everybody, welcome to part 3 of Mailbag Monday, episode 8. Again, I hope that this multi-video format is working out for you. It kind of works out for us, and it gives everybody a little bit more focus on the stuff they sent.
The mailman sat on this one.
Yeah, I want to point out that there are stickers all over this that says handle with care, fragile, do not drop, thank you. But it didn't say anything about don't sit on it or don't step on it or whatever they've done. Because our lovely mail carriers, for whatever reason, have completely crushed this box. And I know what's in this box, and I know that it's very, very fragile.
If it breaks, ooh.
But the person who made this has been chomping at the bit to get me to open it to make sure that it's okay. And honestly, because of being sick this week, I didn't get a chance to, and I wanted to open it for Mailbag Monday. So hopefully, everything is okay.
It's not. I blame the mailman.
Well, at least when they packed it, they put, one peanut in there. No, there's a whole bunch of peanuts in here.
Oh.
Well, Rennie, I can't say that they did. They did not do a great job packing it, buddy. It didn't make it.
No.
It didn't make it.
No.
Oh. This makes me sick. Oh, this makes me just sick to my stomach, brother. Oh. It wasn't rattling. I swear it didn't rattle. But it did not. Oh, God. Well, here's a piece. Here's a piece of it.
Oh, my gosh. No.
No, I would, oh God, broke the face.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it, wow, it just makes me sick to my stomach, brother. And I know you said that you saved the template and stuff, but the amount of work that you put into this.
Yeah. Like, he said that he was going to make it back in, like, November or something.
Well, I watched so many live streams of him putting this together. Yeah, definitely do not have those people package anything anymore. This wasn't good. This wasn't good at all. Not for stained glass. I don't know if there's notes or letters or anything in here other than a bunch of foam dust at this point.
Oh my gosh.
But this is
the frame too.
It's absolutely disgruntling. And I know that you could fix it, but it's even through the face here now. It just didn't make it. And I'm very, very sad. Well, brother, we tried. It's beautiful. It was very, very fun to watch you make it.
Look, even this
it's even broken in this front corner. So just be very careful what you touch, because some of these edges are going to be unbelievably sharp.
The Fun King's head is like it's the Fun King outline, the Fun King, and then the tongue, and then the crown.
Thank you, Rennie. Thank you so much. I'm ill. The amount of work that you put into this, and to have it just So I don't know if you insured it. Let me know. We'll get all that worked out. If you need me to send it back, I'll send it back. But we'll package it differently. So don't send any more out that way because obviously the post office is not careful enough.
It's like he wrote fragile and
yeah, there
like
was
the
like
biggest
800 fragile stickers
possible.
all over that, and so I appreciate it, brother. I really do. It is awesome. The colors are beautiful. I love the color that you chose for the crown.
Yeah.
The amount of work that you put into it, it was absolutely a blast to watch. I know that when you had the issue up in this corner right before you shipped it out, I know that had to have been just very heart-wrenching. So, but this is painful. This is painful. So, but thank you so much, and we'll figure it out. We'll figure it out.
Mm-hmm.
So, we're gonna roll on to part 4. I'm gonna recompose myself, and then we will have part 4 of Mailbag Monday, episode 8, and there'll be a link up over here for that. And if you would like to subscribe, click over there, and stick with us. As always, print on.